Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing how you can make Payin through your Ant-Web software. So log into your Ant-Web trading platform in your browser, and since this will be your home page once you walk in, you can go to the portfolio section in the top here. And here go to the cash segment, and in the bottom right corner we have the pay-in and payout options. Select the pay-in. So this will log into your back office page. So here enter in your ID and password and sign in. Once you're here in the home page of the back office software, in this menu options, select the online payment here and go to Atom Payment. If you have linked your net banking account here, you can just add in the amount that you prefer to add into based on the segment. As we can see here, BSC, MCX, and NSC have separate segments. So select the segment you wish to trade in and select payment. So this will lead you to your net banking page. So whichever bank you have an account in, it will go to that page, and here you can log into your ID and password and make your payment. And just like any other net banking transaction, it will be added to this account. And if you want to see if the transaction has happened successfully, you can go to the transaction history here. And as we can see here, this is a no response as we didn't actually make the pay in here. But if you have successfully added in the account, it will show successful. Next, let's go to the UPI payment. So as you can see here in this page, here also we have separated by segments: BSC cash, BSC F&O, NSC, F&O, and cash. So here we also have the MCX segment. So here again, like the UPI option, enter in your amount and select the payment option. So once you select this payment option, it will send a payment request to your UPI payment app. So whichever UPI app you're using, like Google Pay or Paytm or PhonePe or Beam UPI, whichever app you're using, enter in your UPI ID and passcode and give the permission for the transaction, and the money will automatically get added into your account. So please remember to make your transactions through the registered bank account's UPI ID. If you use any other UPI ID for making the transaction, it will be rejected and it won't be posted to your ledger. So as you can see here, if you want to check your transaction history, you can scroll down and look at the transaction history in the bottom. So as we can see, please also add the UPI ID linked to the registered bank account. So as you can see here, if you would like to update your UPI ID, you can select this option here and enter in the correct UPI ID. So again, to be noted is that kindly add the UPI ID linked to the above registered bank account. If you update any third-party UPI ID, the payment will be failed and it won't be posted to your ledger. So please remember these things when you make your payment. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to create a free Demat account with Alice Blue, click the link in the description and fill out your details. You'll also get intraday recommendation calls and you can learn robot trading software for free.